Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending slow motion video editing using VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the slow motion editing, I'm going to show you how the result looks like. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to show you how we can create this editing. Okay, I'm going to go back to the VN homepage and then I'm going to create new project. So we can click on new project here and then choose video based, and then you can import the video that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to use this video for my editing. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the VN ending. All right, and we can go to the speed option and then choose curve and select custom, and then you're going to add more dots like this, more dots or more points. All right, and then we can customize the curve like this guys. Okay, and you can modify it if you want. You can modify the curve according to your needs, but for me, I'm gonna make it like this. We can speed up and slow down, speed up and slow down. Okay. Okay, you can add more dots if you want, guys. If you're still not satisfied with this curve, you can modify it, but basically you can speed up and then slow down, speed up again, slow down, and so on. Okay, and then after you're done customizing the curve, you can click on the check mark and it will create something like this. And then I'm going to apply effect. I'm going to choose let's try blur or this fuzzy opening. Alright, it's up to you. And I'm going to choose stylized. I'm going to choose blur. I'm going to choose fuzzy opening, so it will be like this. And to make it more captivating, you can add music. You can add music from VN or you can import your own music. If you want to add music from VN, you can go to the music menu right here and you can search the music, but of course you need internet connection, and sorry for my connection. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.